not going to move an inch from here. I will not go anywhere today until I follow my
I want to this girl out of my heart before I do something nasty right now.
Come now, come. Give my baby, I think she's going mad. Let's take her to the hospital.
I'll force you. I'll leave this place.
Come. I just ate rice. I didn't even drink the pure water. I just ate rice. I'm pregnant. How?
Talk to me anyhow, I will use slap and abort that baby from your womb. If you don't give me money, nobody will enter this house.
The madman has chased me around the world.
I'm the man of this house, and whatever I say stands.
Asige! My daughter here will not marry that toy boy. Oh, you want her to suffer?
Those drugs that she took to kill my grandchild, my first grandchild. Look, she will suffer. This cause that I placed on her today, she will beg.
I must tell whoever that comes here to marry you how many times you've aborted a baby.
Don't just try it. My family can never be stupid and useless like your family. Are you mad?
Even my mother.
I am going to arrest her for making me become... You don't need to do that.
I'm not a fool. And even if I am, on this particular one, I heard they are loud and clear.
I heard you're going about playing consists of my children just because my beautiful daughter refused to marry your worthless son.
Me?
Yes!
Foolish?
Yes!
Worthless?
Yes!
You barely have 3 square meals in a day. How can you marry me? Okay, what will you use to take care of me?
Papa, am I not old enough to marry him? Am I not qualified enough, nothing but me now, to marry Ngozi?
The only thing I will do is use this knife to cut off the remaining eye of yours.
If you talk to me anyhow, I will use this cutlass and divide you into two.
If I slap you with your open ghost nose, if I slap you, they crazy. I won't get here since you told the shop for me. They shop for me. Let's have the devil. What did I do one person over do?
I told you this man loves his wife.
You should be careful on how you display.
If you don't want to calm down, you will leave my house now.
I will leave, but I will not go without my child.